Can this one tool actually jumpstart your car as well as pump air into your tires? This is a simple and fast review of the GOOLOO A3 Jump Starter and Air Compressor. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get this box open here, it's going to come with a very nice little carry case. Trying to get this out the easiest way I can. Simply carry bag. Inside, we'll find instruction manual, as well as this great looking 3000 amp, 150 psi pump here. Now it's got multiple connection pieces that come with this that we'll walk through. Read your instruction manual. USB-A to USB-C charging cable, accessories for your pump, little hand hold here. On the top, we're going to see a light. We'll have place to place our air compressor pump, USB-A output, and USB-C input. So this can also be used as kind of like a charging block. Jumper cable will go right in here. So you'll just kind of place that in like so. And then you'll be able to utilize that. And that'll tell you what's going on, as well as a button to kind of make sure it's ready to go. I'm going to take this out so I don't shock myself. There is a light, it looks like, here, and we'll just kind of figure out how to take that and turn that on. We have standard light, SOS, and strobe. Comes about 3/4 of the way set up. Now, as you can probably see, it's set up at PSI, and you can just adjust the numbers really simply. There's probably a mode here, and that's exactly what it is. You'll have a couple PSIs to work with, SUV, sedan, it looks like, bike, ball, and then a KPA. Sometimes if you hold this down, it'll switch between KPA, bar, and PSI. I'm a PSI guy, so everything will be there, but if I want to hold it down, it'll keep switching. We will get this fully charged up, but really not much more to it. Some soft padding here so that if you do kind of pump this up, it'll just kind of be softer on the concrete. So we'll go ahead and charge it up and take it from there. All right, so I've got this thing fully juiced up, so we're just going to hold it, turn it on. I'm going to set my PSI to where I need it to be. Obviously, you're just going to unscrew. And the nice thing here is the hose length is pretty good. It can reach pretty high. Some of these things have short hoses, and it doesn't make it very easy to get to. So we're just going to slide that on, clip it on. It's at 37, so we'll go ahead and let it run.
Alright, so I'm going to finish up all 4 tires and then come back to this. As we can see here, even though it is padded, it kind of vibrates so much that it kind of falls around, so just be aware. Again, that's why it's really nice to have a really long hose. So we'll go ahead and finish all 4 tires. They're all basically at the same, so it'll be the equivalent of like a pretty flat tire to give you an idea on juice. So we'll come back when we're done. Alright, so I literally just filled up all 4 tires, and I don't know if you can see this or not, but we are 1 out of 4 bars down, so clearly plenty of juice on this thing, which is amazing. So I absolutely love the power capabilities. Plenty of PSI. It's a pretty fast fill, as well as you know, I hopefully demonstrated for you. So to me, it's definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.